Ever struggled with thinning hair and endless bad hair days? Same here. I tried everything. DIY remedies, expensive treatments, but nothing worked. Frustrating, right? Then, one day, I stumbled upon Yara Hair Care online. Game changer. Their tagline caught my eye. Healthy hair, healthy woman. I was intrigued. The pure natural formula adapts to your body's unique hair needs. Amazing. I started taking Yara hair growth vitamins daily. Simple, no complicated steps. In weeks, my hair felt stronger, fuller, and healthier than ever before. No more hiding under hats or stressing over hair loss. Confidence restored. The best part? It's for everyone, no matter your hair type or age. Imagine waking up to gorgeous, healthy hair every single day. Tempting, right? Why wait? Your hair deserves this love. Grab Yara Hair Care now. What's stopping you from saying goodbye to bad hair days forever?